Okay, for this week's video, or today's video, or I got it. Ooh.
Much later.
For this video, I'm gonna show you the #1 trick to fix any photo shoot. And if this method does not work, then you are screwed. Like, there's nothing you can do. Your photo is done. Go ahead and throw it away. And the reason I'm showing you this #1 trick is because I just recently messed up on a photo shoot with my friend Tessie. We've done plenty of shoots together and we always knock it out the park. But this one, I messed up. I didn't really think about the lighting in this new studio that I made, and because of that, these photos are definitely not the greatest photos, and they're pretty bad. They're really bad. But with this one trick, I'll show you how to fix any photos and get the shoot back to where it needs to be and make some presentable photos. So let's get into it. So the #1 trick I'm talking about is turning the photo black and white. It is the fastest and easiest method to saving your photo. And if it doesn't look good in black and white, then it didn't even look good, period. Like, let's be honest. Nothing looks bad in black and white. Everything looks good. Even this video, I could make it black and white and it'll still look pretty good. And I could bring it back to color and it definitely looks good. So, because I made it, so of course it's gonna look good. But apart from that, black and white is the key to saving any photo. Now, I wouldn't abuse it. I wouldn't throw black and white filters on all your photos because that's not what it's meant for. But if you have a bad photo shoot and you don't know where to go with it, turn it black and white. And then now you might have an idea. Maybe you could add some graphic designs to it. You can do something to it. You have more options once you turn it black and white rather than trying to play with the colors or play with the settings when it's just already a bad photo. So, black and white is not gonna fail you, and I stand by it 100%. If your photo does not look good in black and white, then it's a bad photo to begin with. But if it's a bad photo and you turn it black and white, it will most likely turn good. That probably didn't make sense, but it will make sense if you don't think about it too much. So, I hope these examples I showed you of black and white photos or just bad photos being turned in black and white helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video.